How AI is changing everything. Hey everyone. So here's a crazy thought: the same technology that helps doctors catch diseases early is also helping students learn better and making businesses run smoother. I'm talking about AI, and today we're gonna break down exactly how it's changing healthcare, education, and business. And trust me, this stuff is way cooler than it sounds. Let's jump in. AI in healthcare. Alright, so healthcare first. This is honestly where AI gets really exciting because we're talking about saving lives here. Picture this: you go in for a regular checkup, and AI spots something in your X-ray that's so tiny, even experienced doctors might miss it. This is actually happening right now. I can look at thousands of medical images and catch early signs of cancer, heart disease, you name it. And we're talking years before you'd normally notice symptoms. Here's what blows my mind: Google built an AI that's better at detecting breast cancer than most radiologists. Not trying to replace doctors or anything, but imagine having that extra pair of eyes double-checking everything. That's pretty reassuring, right? And drug development? Normally takes like 10 to 15 years to create a new medicine. AI is cutting that time in half by testing millions of combinations in simulations. During COVID, this tech helped researchers identify potential treatments in weeks instead of years. But it gets more personal than that. AI can look at your specific genes, your medical history, your lifestyle, and help doctors figure out which treatment will work best for you. Not just what works for most people, but what'll work for your body specifically. Oh, and for people in remote areas where there aren't enough doctors, AI health assistants can give basic medical advice 24/7, monitor chronic conditions, and alert real doctors when something looks serious. So yeah, faster diagnosis, better treatment, more people getting help. That's the real deal right there. AI in education. Now let's talk about school, because AI is basically giving every student their own personal tutor. Remember how frustrating it was when the teacher moved on but you were still confused? Or when you were bored because you already got it? AI's fixing that problem. Apps like Khan Academy and Duolingo watch how you learn what you struggle with, what you nail easily, even what time of day you focus best, and then they adjust everything to match your pace. So if you're killing it in English but math is tough, the AI gives you extra practice problems in math while letting you move faster in English. It's like the app is thinking, okay, this person needs more help here, but they're crushing it over there. For teachers, this is huge. Instead of spending hours grading papers, AI can handle that and give students detailed feedback. Which means teachers can actually focus on, teaching. Building relationships with students. The human stuff that actually matters. Learning a new language? AI conversation partners let you practice speaking without feeling embarrassed. They correct your pronunciation, help with grammar, and you can mess up as many times as you need. No judgment. And here's something really important: AI is making education accessible to everyone. Real-time captions help deaf students follow along. Text-to-speech helps students with visual impairments. Translation tools help people learn in their native language. This stuff is breaking down walls that have existed forever. Plus, AI can spot when a student is falling behind before it becomes a huge problem. Teachers get alerts and can step in early with extra support. Bottom line? Learning is becoming way more personal and way more effective. Every student gets what they need, when they need it. AI in business. Alright, business time. And no, this isn't boring. This stuff affects your everyday life more than you realize. Ever messaged a company at like 3 in the morning and got an instant response? That was probably AI. These chatbots are handling millions of customer questions right now. No wait time, no please hold for the next available representative. And they're getting really good at understanding what you actually need. Companies are drowning in data: what customers buy, when they buy it, why they buy it. AI digs through all that and finds patterns humans would never spot. Netflix saves $1 billion a year just by using AI to recommend shows you'll actually watch. Amazon predicts what you're gonna buy sometimes before you even know you want it. All those boring, repetitive tasks nobody likes doing? AI's taking those over. Data entry, inventory counting, scheduling, the robot stuff. Which frees up humans to do creative work, strategy, problem solving. The interesting parts of the job. Ever notice how online ads seem weirdly relevant to you? AI is analyzing what you browse, what you buy, what you click on, and then showing you stuff you're actually interested in. Yeah, it's a bit creepy, but it also means you see products you might genuinely want instead of random junk. Your bank? Using AI right now to protect your money. It's watching millions of transactions every second, catching fraud before it hits your account. Those suspicious activity alerts that sometimes save your butt? That's AI working behind the scenes. And in factories and airlines, AI predicts when machines are about to break before they actually break. Saves millions in downtime and keeps planes in the air safely. So businesses run smoother, customers get better service, and decisions get made faster. It's a win all around. Okay, real talk for a minute. AI isn't perfect and we gotta be honest about the problems. Privacy is a big one. All this personalization needs your data. Who has access to it? Is it safe? These are legit questions we're still working on answers for. Some jobs are disappearing, that's just facts. When AI automates stuff, people lose work. But new jobs are also being created, jobs that didn't exist 5 years ago. We just need to help people learn new skills. AI can be biased because it learns from human data, and humans are biased. We've seen hiring algorithms that discriminate, loan programs that aren't fair. Building good AI means constantly checking for this stuff. And who's responsible when AI messes up? If an AI makes a wrong diagnosis or a bad business decision, whose fault is it? We're still figuring that out. Wrap up. So here's the deal: AI is already changing healthcare, education, and business in massive ways. This isn't coming someday, it's here now. The question isn't, will AI affect you? It already does. The real question is, what are you gonna do about it? Learn how to use these tools. Adapt your skills? The people who figure that out are gonna thrive. What do you think? Excited? Worried? Both? Let me know in the comments, I actually read them. And if this was helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.